Hey, welcome back guys, and today in this video I am going to share the list of best free ringtone apps for your iPhone. So if you are looking for the same, then watch this video till the end. First on our trolley is Ringtone. In this, you will get tons of ringtones. Here you can see the ringtones of the week, ASMR, newest, best of TikTok, and much more cues. From here, you can try the notification sound like battery low, sunset, sunrise, and so on. By tapping on plus button, you can import from iTunes, extract from video, and import from files. In my screen option, you can set the charging animations, wallpapers, call screens, and much more. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Second on our trolley is Garage Ringtones. It is the best, but some ringtones are behind the paywall. Simply tap on free ringtone, install it, or you can edit it according to you. Also, you can change the theme of the tunes from here. You can add your local here. Here you can see all your ringtones. You can check out the tutorials. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Third one is Cute Ringtone and Wallpaper. Here in this one, you will get cute ringtones of all the times. Some of the ringtones are locked. For using them, you have to watch the ad. And here are the wallpaper. In settings, it have nothing great that we can share with you. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Hey wait, before moving forward, please like this video because your likes motivate me to create more amazing content just like this. Fourth on our trolley is Zedge. It offers some premium wallpapers and ringtones. Like previous one, some items are behind the ad. The ringtone quota is also enough. Tap here to download it. Or you can directly use it. Here you can search the things. In My Zedge option, you can see the activity and content. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Last one is Ringtones for iPhone Music. Here in it, you will get the viral ringtones. The top ringtones are here, and the ringtones quota is amazing. Notifications tunes are also here. Also, you can check out the categories. In this one, you can make your own ringtone. In my library, you can see the favorite ringtones made by me and downloaded. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future video from my side. Thank you.